Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your USDT from Binance to TrustWallet. So there are two ways how you can do this. You can either do this on your smartphone or you can do this in desktop. Right now we are going to use desktop. So I'm just going to go to Binance.com for TrustWallet though. So in Binance, I will access my funding wallet where my USDT is stored. So I'm gonna withdraw that and transfer that to my Trust wallet, and I will show you that. So in this case, how we are going to transfer, we are going to be using withdraw option, and then let's choose USDT for coin. And then in terms of address, so for the address, this is how I do it. On your Trust wallet, you just need to go to your USDT, choose this option here for receive, and you will be able to copy the wallet right here. So once you have that, paste it here. And for my network, I just normally use PSE or BEP20. It will give you a reminder, just click on I'm sure, and yeah, so the minimum is 10, so I'll use that, and then click on this. And when you confirm, it will give you the details on how much you are going to receive together with the address and then some other reminders, and then you hit and continue. So one more step that we need to consider here is you will be getting your verification code. Most of the time it will be sent through your email that you registered in Binance.com, and also on the phone number that's being registered in Binance.com. So in this case, I already received them. I'm just going to use and then click on this submit, and there you go. You have your confirmation, and then it's up if you are going to save address. So sometimes you are actually getting this message, sometimes it will just normally go through. So in this case, we are being told that it's being reviewed and it will take approximately 12 hours. And then you can just follow up the status of your withdrawal request. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.